Boom. Keep on walking.
I'm already
This is part 6, and I'm gonna go until I get tired. Y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna move a lot of dirt from here to there to make it so where it's not so leaning that way, to make it flat just like I did up top. Yep, Kane's going through his training with his sandals on. 3 or 4 more. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. Gravity. You gotta start somewhere. I don't know if you really can't see the incline, but it's there you go. That's how inclined it is right now. It's gonna take a little bit. That's what's happening right there. Getting big old monsters like that come out of the ground like that. Guys, they go. Man, that's a lot of dirt right there. I put right there. That is crazy. That's probably, I don't know, 20 feet right there, carved out. And of course, I gotta go all the way up, try to move some dirt on this side and get it even. But I'm gonna work my way down to that one spot that I started working on. You can see where it's uneven. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's crazy. A little bit of change of plans. I'm going to go right here where I kind of left off, get ready to get into the stuff I hadn't touched yet. I'm gonna work myself, I don't know, down, and I might come up, I don't know, whatever makes sense. So gravity is easier to put, just kind of throw the dirt, you know, on the side there. It's a little bit easier to maneuver. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what you see now. In a minute, it's gonna be, I'm just gonna try to grade, you know, that area right there and move the dirt on this side. So we'll see. Let me give you the progress. So I know I gotta cut that little gap right there out. It's probably about 6-7 feet right there. And I'm gonna make my way on down. This is not normal dirt. It's a mixture of obviously the filled dirt and clay, but up there is more clay. Down here is more of the dirt, but it's got clay in it too, so it should compact pretty good after we keep on riding on it. I'll give you a little bit of an update here. I created a lot of dirt, and I'm kind of working my way that way. You see the dirt right there. I'm gonna move it right there. I'm gonna put some rocks right here, so you saw how much I widened it right there. Probably 20-30 feet, and then I moved all the dirt from here to there, and I'm gonna put some rock right here, so it won't have some rain, it won't wash out, and obviously it looks good. Best place in the world to be during the quarantine. Unbelievable. Cool. All right, let me get to it. My GoPro died, so we'll figure it out. So I tell you what, getting that smoothed out right there was it was a little rooty. Anyway, that I told you I was gonna get some rock, and I got some rock. It's pretty smooth. If you come up from the top end right here, you're doing pretty good. But I got all these rocks right here, all those. It's gonna look good soon. It's not complete. It's not complete yet. Look at that. That was good. I got a lot of these rocks, kind of all over the place, all over the land. And I got like, I don't know, 5 or 6 right in this little hole right here. And I can attack all these little, you can see all these rocks that are embedded in the ground. I'm gonna get those later. I'm gonna kind of show you what I've been doing. Obviously down there, I worked a little bit down there and changed my mind. And I'm gonna work from here, from top to bottom. I think it's a lot easier. I'll show you what's been going on. And I know I gotta get some stuff straightened out right here, but it's not a priority yet. I just wanted to get some rock right there because I didn't want this dirt to wash off or whatever. I don't think it will, but you know, I just wanted to do it. Anyway, that's one step complete, so I don't have to worry about that. Kind of see where I've been kind of moving around. I know I gotta get some rock on the sides, but it is looking better. I'm gonna move those. I'm gonna maneuver those a little bit different. I don't know how to figure it out. But there's rocks everywhere. You can see right here. I mean, there's rocks. But you can see where I've been tacking away. This is level ground right now. You can see how much I had to. You can see how much I had to chop off. I think I'm gonna chop a little bit right there off just to make it look better. And right in here, you see where it's not really even, but it'll look good. It will look good eventually. It's a process. We're getting it done. I appreciate it if y'all like and subscribe. It helps me out greatly. Every time I see a subscribe, it just makes me smile. So I greatly appreciate it if y'all will do that for me. And love you. Peace out.